Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video you will learn how to reduce image size in KB without reduce image quality in Android mobile. We can reduce image size in KB in many ways. But by doing this the quality of our image is destroyed. So in the video I will show you how to reduce the image size in KB while maintaining the quality of the image. You can see an image on my device whose file size is 1.26 megabytes. I will show you this picture under 100 kilobytes keeping the picture quality. For that open any browser. And search by pi7 image compressor. And then enter the following website. Now select the image from the phone storage. After selecting the image, select the image size here. You can choose any size as per your requirement. And then click on Compress. It will take few times for processing. After completing the process, download the image. So following the process you can easily reduce any image size as per your requirements while maintaining the quality of the image. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.